That was the sound of the one Miss Helen Reddy, I Am Woman. Hey, you know what? Yo, come on, man. Me I tell you, say, you see, at our greatest hour, you have to expect anything, anything. Because you see, we're going good, and we're championing women's causes, and that's the time that both Facebook and YouTube decide to do their worst. It's as if somebody doesn't want it to happen. You get what I'm saying? It's so crazy. But thank you guys for sticking with it. I can see you guys logging back in. Manners and respect for that. And there was a couple of poems that I had picked out for all you ladies out there. And now that you log back in, I'm going to replay them again. All right? I have to replay them again. These poems are too big not to share with the YouTube group. All right? So, this one is called Dear Young Woman. Check it.
My name is Britta B, and the name of this poem is Dear Young Woman. Dear young woman, I hope you find you. I hope you find love. I see all the armor you wear. I see all the jewels and gems of wisdom you share. It's okay to shine, Ma. It's okay to shine. It's okay to have pride, Ma. You don't have to live a lie. Don't let the violence fool you into silence, convincing you that you are not worthy of space and time. You might not know it yet, but you got a multi-dimensional set of eyes looking out for you. Trust that what is meant for you is relying on you to show up. Show up. You can lose your religion, but you will never lose your spirit. Each of your breaths have minds and lives of their own. I doubt we'll ever know the true impact of our presence. What a blessing. Young woman, I wish you enough. I wish you enough time for all of your skills and talents. I wish you more. I wish you more revelations than disrespects and regrets. And I beg you to believe in yourself more than your parents ever did. Carry out your curiosities in spite of the corruptions you experience. You let yourself free when you let yourself forgive. And so when you do, and I know you will, I hope you find you. I hope you find love again. A word that comes to mind for this piece is empowerment. As a poet, I really want to serve as an encouraging voice through my work. And I want this poem to be a reminder that whatever you're going through as a woman, you have the choice to make for yourself on how gentle and kind you are with yourself. So I may be putting this out there as a message for people other than me, but it's also a reminder to myself to treat myself kindly and to be good to myself.
170 years from now, women will earn as much as men.
170 years from now, 50% of bosses will be women.
I can't wait that long.
Change won't be easy, but we never asked for it to be easy.
9 out of 10 private equity executives are male.
Only 5% of Fortune 500 CEOs are female.
Female financial advisors make 42% less than men doing the exact same job.
Only 17% of Silicon Valley tech workers are female.
Women worldwide are 25% less likely to have internet access.
Replacing a woman's name on a resume with a man's name will increase her chances of getting hired.
While these facts and figures are discouraging, it will not discourage us.
I will not wait that long.
Yo no voy a esperar.
我不愿意等。
We will continue to lean in together.
We make up 60% of the workforce.
Teams with women outperform teams without.
Companies with women on their boards outperform all male boards by 26%.
We control 80% of the consumer buying power.
And the future is bright.
70% of college valedictorians are women.
The youngest recipient ever of the Nobel Peace Prize is a girl.
We cannot wait.
We cannot wait.
No podemos esperar.
We will not wait.
We will not wait.
Sisterhood is more powerful than we can even comprehend. It's a community of women embracing each other. It's deeper than being friends. It's an I want to see you win and I want to see you flourish. It's a girl, you better get those coins. I see you walking in your purpose. Because we don't have to be besties and we don't have to talk every day. But just know that we are reflections of each other. If you win, then I win. Another woman paving the way, another queen coming to slay. And if you're truly my sister, you'll lift me up when you pray. Because believe it or not, we're all going through something, and it's okay to not always be okay. My shoulders were built for sisterhood. Lean on them as you may. Sisters understand each other's tears more than anyone, so we should be the ones to help wipe them away. It's time to put the sister back in sisterhood. And I know all of this sounds a little cliche, but only we can give life to those words by allowing our actions to align with the words that we say. We are sisters. If I fall, I need to know that my sister is gonna help pick me back up. If I feel defeated, I need to hear my sister saying, you're gonna get through this, sis. Don't give up. If I fail, I need to be reminded that I'm still a winner. And if you see me getting chunky, lie to me, tell me I'm getting thinner. Call me slim, say, girl, you getting slimmer, cause we are sisters. If you need that push, I'm gonna be there to push you into your greatness. And on those days when you feel unworthy, I'm gonna remind you that you are absolutely amazing. And when folks try to bring up your past, I'm gonna be sure to let them know that you are a survivor. And if you ever need someone to talk to, know that you can call me and I'll help lift you higher. And I won't judge you either. However, when you're slacking, I'm gonna tell you you need to do better. Cause I refuse to sit back silently and watch my sister settle or meddle in average. I'm gonna get you right together and let you know you need to do something with all that awesome girl magic, cause we are sisters. And no, it's not always peaches and cream. We will get on each other's nerves. We will say things we don't mean. We will have disagreements, and even jealousy is a factor. We tend to subconsciously compare ourselves to one another, and that in and of itself is a sisterhood disaster. The truth is, we all have flaws and insecurities and things that we can perfect. We are all evolving works in progress and just as equally a hot mess. We all have a tendency to be petty, overly emotional, and at times a challenge to deal with. But I'll take the good with the bad because I need my sister to pray and kneel with, to overcome and heal with, to cut up and chill with, to be open and real with, to connect and build with, to empower and fulfill with, because we are sisters. And there is no competition when you sincerely embody the true definition. When you make it your mission to be the spark and be the difference, then you will see that we are all simply connected with a twister. I am not only my sister's keeper, I am my sister.
DJ Mac Daddy.
Are you ready? 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 Are you ready?
When the roll is called out, I'll be standing taller to face the darkest and the hardest of times. We'll be taking care of all the children thereof, but if it's required, we'll be on the front line. You can call me by my name, I am ready to roll. Once the rules remain the same, how the story's been told. Call me anytime, never cop out. Lioness is on the rise, don't you ever have doubt. Never say never, willingness forever to fight and be strong. Once it's for better, I'll write every letter and moving right along. And I'll roll with the punches, accept changes, work with the formula, do what I have to do. And call me by my name, I am ready to roll. Once the rules remain the same, how the story's been told. Call me anytime, never cop out. Lioness is on the rise, don't you ever have doubt. When you are willing to serve, we have room to observe, to see if you can walk the walk you took. Let me give you my word, my voice must be heard. Bravery is a piece of my heart. Call me by my name, I am ready to roll. Once the rules remain the same, how the story's been told. Call me anytime, never cop out.
Gotta send a massive shout out to the one that Ollie got it locked.
Don't ever have no doubt. When the roll is called up,
Miss Paulette Grant, good evening to you.
taller to face the darkest and the hardest of times. We'll be taken care of.
International Women's Day, 8th of March,
If it's required,
2021 this year.
the front lane, you can call me back.
Yeah, man, for the past
Ready to.
hour and so,
Once the rules remain the same,
we've been championing
always been so.
International Women's Day.
Call me, never, anytime. Lion.
We've had our problems, but I think we've come through the rarest. Big up yourself if you manage to find the stream again.
Ready to. Once the rules remain the same, how the story's been told.
Trouble us set like a rain.
Call me anytime, never cop out. A lioness is on the run. Ready to roll.
Remember, in the next 10 minutes,
By my name,
we'll be spinning some tracks from the one,
once the
Mr. Bunny Wailer.
same, how.
Yeah, man, another reggae icon gone home.
Call me anytime.
Got to pay our respects.
I'm ready when you're ready.
DJ Mac Daddy.
You're here, I'm pleased. face mentality. Lord, have mercy on me.
Gotta send a massive request to the one Miss Ashley McIntosh. Got it loud.
What I came to,
good evening to you.
baby, I feel free. Come on and go.
Hope you're feeling better for the music.
Take a long walk around the park after dark. Find a spot for us to spark conversation, verbal elation, stimulation. Share our situation, temptation, education, relaxation, elevation. Maybe we could talk about Surah 31:18. Your background, it ain't squeaky clean shit. Sometimes we all got to swim upstream. You ain't no saint, we all a sinner. But you put your good foot down and make your soul the winner. I respect that. Man, you're so fat, and you're all that, plus supreme. Then you're humble, man, I'm numb, yo, with feeling. I can feel everything that
21:22 on the clocks.
A long walk around the park after dark.
Did you get that, Buju?
On a spot.
Yeah, man, 21:22 on the clocks.
Station, verbal elation, stimulation. Share our situation, temptation, education, relaxation, elevation. Maybe we could talk about Revelations 3:17. Or maybe we could see a movie, or maybe we could see a play on Saturday. Or maybe we could roll a tree and feel the breeze and listen to.
Gotta send a massive shout out to the chemistry teacher in the place, you know.
Maybe we could take a cruise and listen to.
Good evening and welcome.
Passion fruit, or maybe fly to the blue.
No, you have not missed the Bunny Wailers yet.
Just be silent.
Of the one Miss Jill Scott, track entitled The Long Walk.
Relaxation, elevation, baby, baby.
And the chat, perhaps.
Come on.
As we keep it moving, we go for the voice of the one Miss Erykah Badu. Thing called The Window Seat. Going out to all the ladies, got it locked and clocked. Repping International Women's Day.
So presently I'm standing here right now, you're so demanding. Tell me what you want from me. Concluding, concentrating on my music lover and my babies. Baby, wanna ask you lady for a ticket out of town. So can I get a window seat? Hey. Don't want nobody next to me. I just want a ticket out of town to look around. miss me. I need your attention.
Shout out to Miss Cordelia Thomas, got it loud. Jagans.
Next to
yeah, man, miss you, a big up.
me. Oh, I need someone to clap for me. I need your direction. Somebody say, come back, baby, come back. I want you to need me. Come back, hey, come back, baby, come back. Need me. Come back, baby, want you to come back, need me. Come back, so out my mind, I'm tussling back and forth between here and hustling. I don't wanna time travel no more. I wanna be here, my thinking. So on this porch I'm rocking back and forth like Lightning Hopkins. If anybody speak the sky, they tell them beam me up.
Fire, baby.
Don't want nobody next to me. I just wanna take it out of town to look around and I say touchdown. See, I just want a chance to fly, a chance to cry, and a long bye-bye.
Fire, baby.
Oh,
Fire, baby.
But I need you to miss me. I need somebody come get me. Ooh, I say I need your attention, yes, and I need your energy, and I do. Oh, I need someone to clap for me. I need your direction. Somebody say, come back, hey, come back, baby, come back. I want you to need me, come back. Okay, yes, come back, baby, come look for me, say, come back. Hey, yeah. Don't want nobody next to me. I just wanna take it out of town and look around. Then they say touchdown. Oh, hey, I just want a chance to fly, a chance to cry, and a long bye-bye.
This is Piledriver Radio. Smashing the hits and good vibrations. Just listen and spread the word.
21:30 on the clock, so we've just got about half an hour, just over half an hour to go. So we're going to turn our attention to the one and only Mr. Bunny Wailer. Yeah, man, another reggae icon has left us. You see me, I say? And you might ask, who is Bunny Wailer, in case you didn't know? One of the founding members of the Wailers. Yeah, man, Bob Marley and the Wailers. Bunny Wailer was one of the three that form that group, all right? Yeah, man, 1947 to 2021, I think that makes it 23 or so, 73 years old. Yeah, and he's gone to a better place. And, yo, me I tell you, the man leave with some music, whole heap of music. Man catalog big, and still even bigger. And we're just gonna enjoy a few of Bunny Wailer's track right about now until the end of the show, all right? And because I've got the chemistry teacher locked and clocked, and she's looking forward to the Bunny Wailer section, I'm going to start off with an old favorite of mine from the Bunny Wailer. I'm not going to even say the title. I'm just going to spin it, all right? Yeah, man, so if you're on board, yeah, man, hold on tight. We're ready.
Ladies and gentlemen, notice the captain has turned on the
Mac
smoking
Daddy.
sign. Please be seated and fasten your seatbelts. We're approaching home. This is flight number 77. Thanks for flying on Solomonic. Hope you enjoyed your flight home.
Ting-a-ling-a-ling, school bell ring and it's back to school again. And it's ABC, 1, 2, 3, tic-tac-toe and it's all in a row. Now it's a 1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, 4, shut the door, 5, 6, pick up sticks, 7, 8, and then you lay them straight. 9, 10, back to school again. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I caught that bird alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it flew away again. Wheel, wheel, winkle, ran through the town, upstairs and downstairs, in or out down. Rapping at the windows, crying through the lock. All your children in bed, it's 8 o'clock. So run, 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 free paper burn, and it's back to school again. You've got to start at ABC to be at the university. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Here's a message on your radio. Now go to school and learn the rule, and don't you be no fool. Don't be dumb, don't be no bum. Don't just hang out and pop bubble gum. Don't you waste your spare time and just sit there thinking about break time with nothing to do but play all a live long day. Fly butterfly, you can make it if you try. Don't waste your time away. Now it's dickory, dickory dock. Ben ran out the clock. The clock struck 9, now it's bedtime. Tomorrow is school again. Children, children, enjoy your holidays all together now. 2 little birdies sitting on the wall. One named Peter.
Who remember them Bunny Wailer? Yeah?
Ling-a-ling-a-ling, school bell ring, back to school again. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Here's a lesson on your radio. Heights of faith, one's region kept, were not attained by sudden flight. But they while their companions slept, were up what toiling through the night with English grammar and arithmetic, geography and history. Though you don't know about politics, you gotta know some social study. As busy as a bee, as cunning as a fox, as happy as a lark. Remember to do your homework and don't do it in the park. Having popcorn, Lucy, and soda pop ain't gonna put you at the top. You've got to work hard to reach your goal, and don't you ever stop. Don't jump that fence, okay, don't make sense to go on playing marbles. Cause skipping class ain't gonna make you pass, and you're sure gonna be in trouble. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, and it's back to school again. Ting-a-ling-a-ling, school bell ring, and it's back to school again. So much for play and holiday. Now you just do what your teacher say. Gotta read and write and check and count for you to be a star. To be able to have a bank account to buy mom and dad a big Porsche car. The king is in his counting and he's counting out his money. The children are in the garden and they're eating bread and honey. Old MacDonald had a farm and it's E-I-E-I-O. And if he was stubborn as his mule, he wouldn't send his kids to school. So make hay while the sun shines, save something for a rainy day. Pick up your bag with your book and pen, for it's back to school again.
So true.
Run, 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 free paper bun, cause it's back to school again.
It just so happens that it's back to school here in the UK after the long lockdown tomorrow. Yeah, man, so back to school. This is a Bunny Wailer jam.
But they while their companions slept, were upward toiling through the night, doing English grammar and arithmetic, geography and history. Though you don't know about politics, you gotta do some social study. As busy as a bee, as cunning as a fox, as happy as a lark. Remember to do your homework and don't do it in the park. Having popcorn, Lucy, and soda pop ain't gonna put you at the top. You gotta work hard Just do what your teacher say. You gotta read and write and check and count for you to be a star. To be able to have a bank account to buy mom and dad a big plush car. So make hay while the sun shines. Save something for a rainy day. Pick up your bag with your book
DJ Mac Daddy.
back to school again. It's no way to buy so that you don't take that road. It's all in the road. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Hey, no one didn't tell you was to roam the street. But that's what happened when the rubber dubbing gets sweet. You lock so tight, you don't even know when it's morning. The music's so right, you don't even care about the dawning. How does it feel to have been on the ballroom floor? Or do you feel like you could rock some more?
DJ Mac Daddy.
For a strictly robot or show. And the dub and the wax, y'all know. So this can kill you weary, but you've got to stay away. And your waistline get dreary, you couldn't give it a break. Put you round the whirling, and you robot doping. You heavy skanking, and you daylight jamming. Now how does it feel to have been on the ballroom floor? Or do you feel like you'd rock some more? For a strictly robot for sure. And the dub and the wax, y'all know. Yeah now, yeah now, yeah now, yeah now. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Hey, no one didn't tell you was to roam the streets. But that's what happened when the robot dubbing gets sweet. You lock so tight, you don't even know when it's morning. The music's so right, you don't even care about the dawning. How does it feel to have been on the ballroom floor? Or do you feel like you could rock some more? Just mind how you run up your mouth, acting like a gorgon. Be careful how you going all about and pretending you're a dragon. I am the conqueror, conquering and to conquer. I am the conqueror, some call I the dub master. I am the conqueror, conquering and to conquer. I am the conqueror, some call I the dub master. Craving, I got you a puppy. Just look how you absorbing. Never see, come see, tan to the. Or you bound to get a flogging from the conqueror, conquering and to conquer. I am the conqueror, some call I the master. I am the conqueror, conquering and to conquer. I am the conqueror, some call I the master. Ooh yeah.
Shout out to the one, Miss Joyce Duncan. Got it locked on clock. Enjoying her Bunny Wailer right about now.
Never you try.
Easy on Miss Cordelia Thomas.
I am the conqueror.
Lorna Lawrence, me got you locked.
To conquer.
Say what?
I am the conqueror. Some call I the dub master. I am the conqueror. Conquering and to conquer. I am the conqueror. Some call I the dub master. Some call I the dub master.
Shout out to the one, Miss Elizabeth Ketwaru.
Just mind how you run up your mouth, acting like a gorgon. Be careful how you're going all about and acting like a dragon. I am the conqueror, conquering and to conquer. I am the conqueror. Some call I the dub master. I am the conqueror, conquering and to conquer. I am the conqueror. Some call I the dub master. I am the conqueror, conquering and to conquer. I am the conqueror. Some call I the dub master. Some call I the
21:44 on the clock. We keep rolling. Say what?
come on and tune me. I said to ride me, 'cause this your session is vital. Check scene, come on and bite me. I said to rope me, 'cause this your rhythm is vital. And it's a cool running. I know dance all other nights.
Man them call Neville O'Reilly Livingston, aka Bunny Wailer. Man them call Jabby. Man has transitioned. It's like 2 in 2 weeks. You know we've got to do our little bit. Show our respect.
DJ Mac Daddy.
Yeah, and the one Mr. Wallapiece have referred to the Blackheart Man in full effect. So I'm going to take one off his album, The Blackheart Man. Yeah, man, this one was done back in 1976. This is Armageddon.
Taking place in iration, it's the Armageddon. Taking place in iration. In the beginning there was but one concept, and that's the concept of I. Then arose the Apollyon, the devil, Satan, claiming that it's you and I. And from that day on, there is trouble. The world gone astray. From that day on, trouble of the world gone astray. We've got wars and rumors of war. Nations rising up against nations, mother against daughters, father against sons, little children having children. In this Yahweh, it's the Armageddon taking place in iration. It's the Armageddon taking place in iration. I see light fighting against darkness, righteousness against evil, right battling against wrong. Here comes bondage, struggling for freedom. But have patience, I do have patience. Don't be burdened by reasons of tribulation. Have patience, I do have patience. Remember the call of redemption. It says, blessed art the poor, they shall inherit the earth. Blessed art the meek, they shall have the earth. Them that hunger and thirst after righteousness, them alone shall be called blessed. In this Yahweh, it's the Armageddon taking place in iration. It's the
a iration. Go beyond to the pastors that lead my sheep astray. Everyone shall get his pay. Or the gates of hell just could never prevail. I'd like to say Babylon failed. There is one like unto a flames of fire. His name I can tell. He is conquering and to conquer the gates of doom and hell. And life, long life, is his reward to them that are good. As for the heathen, in their hearts his name is terrible and dreadful. In this ya boy, it's the Armageddon.
Man, them call Jabi.
Taking place in iration. Boy. It's the Armageddon.
Taken off the Black Heart Man.
Place in iration. Boy. It's the Armageddon. Taking place in iration. Boy. It's the Armageddon.
Shout out to Mrs. Branch, she got it locked. Yeah, man, you never miss the Bunny Wheeler section, none at all. You see me, I say? And we're going to just go and roll some more Bunny Wheeler until the top of the hour. This is Rise and Shine. Whatever you got playing bass at your house, be careful. This one is deep. Rise and shine.
DJ Mac
be starvation. Not only in a jam down, yo. I miss a workhouse, arms house, mad house, away we do you. Mismanagement, unemployment, imprisonment, away we do you. Slave rocket, empty wallet, broke pocket, away we do you. Tenant yard, rent yard, landlord, away we do you. What about the ration? Don't in a jam, don't me out. It's all over creation. Not only in a jam, don't yo. And now only inflation. All over creation, yeah. And now be a starvation. Not only in a jam, don't yo. Homicide, suicide, genocide, away we do you. Consideration, desperation, eradication, away we do you. Gamblings, hustlings, scufflings, away we do you. Cheap up, stay broke, bad luck, away we do you. What about the ration? Don't mean a jam, don't me yo. It's all over creation. Not only in a jam, yo. And now only inflation. Don't mean a jam, yo. It's all over creation. Not only in a jam, yo. Promises, apologies, diseases, away we do you. Power cut, water shut, hungry cut, away we do you. Conman, gunman, hangman, away we do you. Courthouse, jailhouse, detention, away we do you. What about the ration? Don't mean a jam, don't yo. It's all over creation. Not only in a jam, yo. And now be a starvation. Don't mean a jam, yo. It's all over creation. Not only in a jam, yo. Ignorance, take chance, maintenance, away we do you. Hunger, soda, finger, away we do you. Borrowing, loafing, lightering, away we do you. Wrong policy, ideology, criminology, away we do you. What about the ration?
Yes, man, the man them call Bonnie Livingston, man. Yeah, Jabi gone home, you know? Yeah, so we are going to bounce a couple of tunes. As a matter of fact, I've just got one more to play because the time now is 3 minutes outside 10 p.m. So, you don't know, you know. We start out the show with, we are big up the International Women's Day. Yeah, man, big up on yourself tomorrow. All the ladies, them have got it locked. Make sure, yeah, man, wanna defend the cause all the time. Never stop fighting for what I want. So me I say, because on truly, really playing a part in the whole society thing. So I just see it right that I don't forget food, a piece of the cake. Alright? Yeah, man. So remember, celebrate tomorrow, ladies. International Women's Day 2021. Okay? Okay, so we're just gonna spin one more Bunny Wailer, and then we're gonna pack our bags and get out of here. People walk good and take care. You don't know, we're gonna have another show next week if the Father's wish. And you know, say my daddy love twist up the thing, you know. So here what me I go do. I play a Bunny Wailer, which I don't think a lot of people know, because it's more or less a love song. Alright? So I never know, say Jabi can do love song too. Check out this here Bunny Wailer. This one is closing the show. It's called Stand in Love. Yeah, man. Jabi gone home. Manners and respect.
and overflowing is my cup, and I'm embraced by the bosom of the wind, and the rain is my waterfall and friend. People falling and out of love, and they sometimes get hurt and broken hearted. Lovers will break up and turn around and make up, but the greatest love of all is to stand in love as the colors of a rainbow. Stand in love as a grass upon the meadow. Stand in love as a rain invites the swallow. Stand in love, just stand in love. Stand in love. Filled with songs of love, but the whole world has yet to know love. With all the explorations of how to make love, it's a mere fiction of real and true love. There's a love that is sweeter than honey, and the honeycomb, and life's road leads to that home where life is the reward and love a treasure. Heart shall be filled and running over. So stand in love as a wind upon the willow. Stand in love as an image cast a shadow. Stand in love, in joy as in sorrow. Stand in love, just stand in love. Stand in love, just stand in love. Hear this. Said a woman already a lioness, don't stand up in a love. But this a lion him no fall in love. Cause we fall, we broke up and never can mend. And if we patch up, we'll broke down back again. Me said a woman a go ball if her man love a fall. She only want a stand in love and no love at all. So all who are falling and out of love, pack up your trouble and stand in love. Stand in love as the colors of a robin. Stand in love as a bee selects the pollen. Stand in love as the ant prepares for famine. Stand in love, just stand in love. Stand in love as the colors of a rainbow. Stand in love as a grass upon the meadow. Stand in love as a rain invites the swallow. Stand in love, just stand in love. Stand in love as a wind upon the willow. Stand in love as an image cast a shadow. Stand in love, in joy as in sorrow.
Thanks for listening. We hope you enjoyed the show.
That will conclude this evening's entertainment.